Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for June of 2024 for Potomac Beads, their treasure box. And before I open this up, I just wanted to show you, I got a few little things with them. I got a little sticker that says, when in doubt, just add beads, for sure. I got a couple Potomac beads stickers, which are cool. This I think is really useful. I don't know if you guys know my background, but I was a hair colorist for 30 years before I retired due to rotator cuff surgery and a bad back from working. But I did, corrective color was my specialty. So I worked with the color wheel a lot. And that's why I think, you know, when people say you're so good at picking colors to design jewelry, I think it just because I've worked with this for so long using these different colors and using the color wheel that it's just kind of ingrained in my head. Even when you look at colors, you know, like green, there's a blue undertone to some greens, there's a yellow undertone to other ones. So even though, you know, a green could be a cool color, there could still be some warmth to it and vice versa. So, you know, there's just so much, you know, when you look at things and their undertones along with having the color. So, you know, definitely check this out. This is really a good thing to use. And then they gave us a color striped beaded bead. So it's how to make one of the beads. So it's a little, Anna Taylor is the artist. And this is the free beading pattern that they sent us. So if you're not familiar with Potomac Beads, this is a monthly subscription. And the price monthly is $39.99. If it's priced quarterly, it's $34.99. So you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99. So you save $120 a year. So if you are into beading, that is definitely the best price. So let's see. Coastal Oasis Treasure Box. This month's treasure box reminds us of the profound feeling of peace amidst the shorelines, clear blue waters, and light breezes. Peer into the soft interior glow of mermaid glass rounds, sparkling sapphires and emerald crystal, and the delicate detail of metal charms. With design possibilities as expansive as the ocean, create shimmering pieces to encapsulate the essence of your own coastal oasis. And I live in Florida. I live by Siesta Key. I don't know. I'm sure you guys have heard in Sarasota. So I live in Bradenton, so I'm on the East Coast. And so I definitely can understand that. So we got some, ooh, got some really pretty, oh, look at that. Oh, can't wait to open this. Okay, let me get everything settled. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with these beautiful Czech glass beads in blue. They almost look like crystal bicones, but they're not. I think they're, oh, they are, wait. I forgot what these are called. Pressed rondelles? Maybe they're the, yeah, I think they're the pressed rondelles. But these are so pretty. So we have these, and then we have the Druck beads. Czech glass smooth, or Czech glass smooth rounds. They're a nice bead because you can add them. Excuse me, let me fix my light a little bit here. And these are Czech glass faceted rounds in jade. These look really pretty. Look at them there. They get a really nice faceted edge to them. Very pretty. It's just a light, you know, it's, even though they're faceted and you can see like the sparkles from them, it's not overly sparkled. So we got these. And then we have the Dragon Thread, gray, 5 meters, size 6. You can never have too much dragon thread. Never have too much thread. We have those. Then we have Mermaid Glass Beads, Smoke Matte, 6 millimeters. These are beautiful. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I love these colors this month. And then next is Czech Glass Pressed Beads in Purple Blue. And I should have opened this bag up before. I see some of the beaders, they open the bag up and it opens up the first time. So here's a couple of them. They have a little purple accent to them, along with the blue. Very pretty. These would make really pretty focal beads for necklaces. And next are the Czech Glass Drop Beads in Transparent Smoky, 6 by 10 millimeters. These are really pretty. I just pull out a few of them. So let me see here. Here's one. And 2. Very pretty. I love all this, the blues with like the smoky grays. It's so pretty. And next are Czech Glass Faceted Rounds Turquoise Picasso Swirl. Oh, these are pretty. Ooh. Love me a Picasso bead. You can see it. And the faceting, it just, between the faceting and then the Picasso finish on it, absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to tear into this box. And next is Czech Glass Wavy Discs in Turquoise. These are cool. And they're light enough you could use these for earrings if you wanted to. They have some like faceting on them. Like it looks like it's faceted, but it's not really. It's got a really unique look to it. Yeah, it's because they've got that wave going on them. And next is Miyuki Seed Beads, Seafoam Line, Crystal AB80s. I've been loving the AB Finish Seed Beads because they give so much sparkle. You can use them like in between beads just for a little accent color. And just a couple of these can really add a lot of color onto a piece of jewelry. Okay, and then we have some beading needles, a package of 6. Can never have enough of these. We have 10, 11s, and 12s, 2 of each. This is perfect. And then we have some Czech Glass conch shells in metallic. Oh, these are pretty. Let me see, here's a couple. I think we could put all 3 of them on here. got like that metallic look to them. It's not too much of a metallic look, but just enough to give it that shine and the shimmer. Nice. You could use these. You can make a whole jewelry set with these. You could use one for each of an earring and then use that towards a pendant. So next, these are crystal pickup pencils. Kind of a wild thing. I usually use like my, what do you call it? My, like round or bent chain nose pliers and stuff. But these are used, and you press on the crystal and it can, you can take it from one and put it to the next with these. So, the more tools you have while you're creating, the better. So this is definitely something great to have in your stash. And then next are starfish charms in silver. Look how cute these are. Oh, look at these. So there's just on one side. That's the opposite side. But they're so cute. A nice finish to them. This is the perfect June box. Next is Potomac Czech glass shell beads, aqua blue swirl, 9mm. And these are so pretty. Here's a couple of them on a so pretty. Loving these. And next, these are so pretty. Czech glass anchor pendants. Czech glass pear drop anchor charm crystals. And look at these. That's the front of it. So the back is smooth, like that. And here's 5 of them. So cool. Such a pretty box this month. And next are the Potomac crystal bicones in emerald, 2mm. And we all love the Potomac crystal bicones. So pretty. These would be pretty in between the seed beads. Like to put it in between beads. That would be a really nice little accent to a piece. Might have to try doing that. And next are the Potomac beads, lever back ear wires, 18mm, premium 99.9% silver plated brass. And it has, they go in like that, and then, goes in like that, and then it's got the cute little shell right there, and something to dangle something on right there. And next are Potomac crystal cushions, color shift BI by. Not sure what that means. And these are 12mm, and these are absolutely stunning. Look, wow. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous those are. Wow. And last but not least, Czech glass disc transparent cobalt. I like to use these like as dangles on jewelry. If the hole is big enough, and you can get, like if you have thin jump rings and you get jump rings through there, or you could just sew, use them for sewing, but the holes on the top, there's a lot you can do with these. don't have anything in front of me that I used to make them, of course. Yeah, I don't have anything. I usually have like jewelry that I've made using these. I don't have anything in front of me. But I hope you enjoyed this. And I will leave the link to Potomac beads below. And also, I will leave a link to their YouTube channel because they have been just creating some beautiful jewelry. Tons of free things to learn and everything. So I will leave all their information below. And thank you everyone for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. It'll be right to the right, and I know that you are going to love it. And all of my information is below as well in the description. And you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.